Hello children, I'm Suchitra here. Welcome to our class 3rd. Subject Social. Children, today we are going to discuss about the chapter name is Kolkata.
Children, Kolkata is one of the most beautiful cities of India with its beautiful monuments. Kolkata is India's second largest city and is among one of the four metropolitan cities of India. It is a place where the great writer and the Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore was born. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Earlier, it was known as Calcutta. In 2001, the government of West Bengal decided to officially change its capital city's name to Kolkata to reflect its original Bengali pronunciation. The British made Kolkata the first capital of India. Kolkata is located on the banks of River Hooghly in West Bengal. The climate of Kolkata is moderate. It is neither very hot nor very cold. Summers are hot and humid. It receives a heavy rainfall during the rainy season. Mamata Banerjee is the Chief Minister of West Bengal. The governor, the chief minister, other ministers and government officials live in the city. All the offices of the West Bengal government are located in Kolkata.
Clothes of our Kolkata. The traditional dress for men in Kolkata is the dhoti kurta or pajama kurta. However, many have changed over to shirts and trousers. Women mostly wear sari, blouse, and salwar kameez. Food. In Kolkata, rice and fish are the staple food of our Bengalis. They are very fond of sweets. Sandesh and Rasgulla are two of their most popular sweets.
Kolkata is the main business, commercial, and financial hub of eastern India. Famous industries of Kolkata are chemicals, footwear, paper mills, etc. The Kolkata Municipal Corporation supplies potable water. The electricity is provided by the West Bengal State Electricity Board. It is a city where various modes of transport are available. Kolkata was the first city in India to offer underground metro services. Public transport is provided by the Kolkata Suburban Railway. Kolkata too has domestic and international airports. The people of Kolkata mostly speak Bengali. Women usually wear the sari. Among men, Western dressing and dhoti kurta are popular. The city is also known for the biggest celebration of the festival Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the most important festival in Kolkata. During Durga Puja, the city becomes a city of huge crowd who join for celebrating Durga Puja. Traditional folk dance and classical dance forms are part of Kolkata's rich culture.
Culture in Kolkata. The main language spoken in Kolkata is Bengali. The people here are fond of art and music. The most popular game in Kolkata are football and cricket. The great poet Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote our national anthem, belonged to Kolkata. He was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize. Transport. Kolkata's main railway stations are Howrah and Sealdah. Howrah station is located on the west bank of the river Hooghly. Howrah and Kolkata are twin cities. The Howrah bridges, called also Rabindra Setu, and the Vidyasagar Setu, connected the twin cities. Kolkata was the first city in India to have an underground railway system called the metro. The metro is an important means of transport in the city. You can still see trams and double-decker buses in the city. The airport in Kolkata is named after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Industries in Kolkata. There are several industries in Kolkata. Jute textile, rice, rubber, paper, and chemical are some of the important industries in Kolkata.
There are many places worth visiting in Kolkata. Kolkata is famous for British architecture. The famous Howrah Bridge is over River Hooghly. The Victoria Memorial is a beautiful monument in Kolkata. The famous Eden Gardens cricket ground is located in Kolkata. The Botanical Garden is known for its banyan trees, which is also located in Kolkata. The famous Santiniketan is located in Kolkata, and other educational institutions are famous worldwide. Other places of interest are Birla Planetarium, Rabindra Sarovar, etc. There are several amusement parks in Kolkata for recreation purposes. The amusement parks in Kolkata are special attractions to tourists and locals, ideal for people of all age groups. These beautiful amusement parks in Kolkata are buzzing with activity all year long. Some of the famous amusement parks in Kolkata are Millennium Park, Science City, Nico Park, Aquatic Water Park. The Forum Mall was the first shopping mall in Kolkata. Kolkata is a wide place for shopping. It has become a center for the business around the country. People from different countries visit Kolkata to buy different things at wholesale rate. Other shopping malls in Kolkata are City Centre, the Garihat Mall, etc. The main markets in Kolkata are AC Market, Fancy Market, Khadi Gramadyog Bhavan, and many more. Children, Kolkata is also nicknamed as the City of Joy. One can experience and explore all the colors of life in this city. It has variety of things to offer. The best thing about the city is its affordability. The city can be equally enjoyed by a rich or a poor. Kolkata has something to everyone, to offer to everyone. Thank you.
So, children, this is your chapter. I hope you understand the lesson. I will come up with the next video. See you soon, children. Thank you.